Hi folks, I'm Jordan Wright with Omni Feed and Supply, and today I want to show you one of my favorite buildings on the lot, our greenhouses. If you love gardening or just enjoy keeping your plants and flowers healthy year-round, this is the perfect setup for you. Whether you're starting small with an 8x8 or going big with a 12x32, every size is built with the same attention to quality and detail. Each greenhouse comes standard with real greenhouse panels, same durable material that the professionals use. It lets in the right amount of sunlight while keeping your plants protected from rain, wind, and temperature swings. Inside you'll find treated wood benches and a treated wood floor, both designed to handle moisture and humidity so you never have to worry about rot or warping. We can add a forced air fan kit to help with airflow and temperature control, keeping your plants happy and growing strong all year long. These greenhouses are a practical, long-lasting, and beautiful addition to any backyard or homestead. So if you're thinking about extending your growing season or just creating a cozy place to escape into the sunshine, stop by Omni Feed and Supply and check them out in person. I'm Jordan Wright, and I'd be glad to help you find the perfect greenhouse for your